Final, Unit 1 Writing Assessment. Overarching essential questions. How do beliefs about power and authority impact society? What is the purpose of government? Why do we have rules and laws? These are questions to think about and help focus your ideas as you complete this Unit 1 final. You do not need to answer these specific questions as part of the final. Open the attached document, Unit 1 U.S. Government Text-Based, and read the prompt. You will answer the prompt in an organized piece of writing. Please use 3 of the 6 provided documents to back up your argument. You should go back and review all of the assignments, discussions, readings, and resources that we did during this first unit. Especially focus on the feedback that I gave you. Remember that this is the unit final, and the expectation is that you write a complete, thorough, well thought out explanation of your ideas, and that you use the evidence as support. Remember the Point Evidence Analysis PEA method. Use the attachment Social Studies rubric to help guide your writing process. Please type this assignment and save it as a Word doc, Word doc X, PDF, or Google Doc to turn into the Dropbox. Please notice that this is the Unit 1 final and worth 200 points. Please read and follow all directions and due dates closely, and let me know of any questions well before the due date. Do not wait until the last minute to start this important assignment. Use your time and the whole week wisely. Social Studies Text-Based Writing Assessment, 9th Grade American Government. This is the end of Unit 1 Principles of Government. Prompt. Power is defined as the ability to control others, while authority is defined as the right to control others. What are the negative and positive effects of power and authority when applied to the American system of government? Use at least 3 of the 6 primary documents below as evidence to support your ideas in an organized piece of writing. Document A, Amendments from the Constitution. Document B, Case dropped against driver who flipped off trooper. Document C, Political cartoon on Watergate. Document D, Quotes. Document E, War Powers Resolution of 1973. Document F, Political cartoon.